Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. And today we're out on the water checking out a 2025 Harris Cruiser 210. So we'll start way back here, point out a token Harris item, and that's going to be this extended rear platform. So you can really see how much space there is back here. You've got just a ton of space to hang out on the platform right next to our Mercury 150. You got a telescoping ladder behind me, and then this nice big ski tow bar here. So you can hook up right on this point here, pull any kind of tuber or skier. You got a nice bit of power with that 150 behind you there. Big lounger here, right, with some storage underneath. Big old compartment. And then one thing that I'll point out that is pretty rare on these 21-foot models is going to be these safety rails here. So it's an awesome add-on, right? You got a nice place to put your big fenders with the quick connect clips, and then you can connect these chains. And if you have these chains closed on both the port and starboard side, it is legal to ride facing aft on these loungers back here, which is an awesome way you can fit more people on the boat. So we'll make our way into the cockpit. Just take a look. You can see the rest of that storage compartment that I showed you a moment ago does connect in the front here. Got two more fenders stowed in there. You can see you got plenty of storage in there for anything you want to take on board with you. You're going to have your battery controls and your battery mounted underneath there. And you can see that I'm standing under here at this massive bimini right at the top. Just to give you an idea of how big this is, I am about 6'3". I got all this head clearance here, right? But it's big black bimini. It covers most of the cockpit from about the windshield back. So plenty of sun coverage on board here. Then you've got this awesome full swivel captain's chair right at the helm. So take a look at the helm real quick. You're going to have, your Clarion head unit here. So 4 speakers on board the boat, nicely spread out for the 21 feet. So you got nothing to worry about there. Great way to play your music. You got a locking glove compartment down here on the bottom. And then some of your traditional looking gauges here. The digital screen on the right side with your tachometer, and a speedo, trim, and fuel gauge on the left side. Take a step up into the bow a little bit. Take a look at a couple things up here. You are going to notice you've got cup holders and plug-ins for all your electronics on either side of the bow, as well as storage underneath each of these seats. We're going to point out your dedicated cover storage over here on the port side at the walkway, right? So we got the cover balled up in there. Fits pretty nicely when you're out on the water. And then over here in your lounger is your hidden trash can on board right here. Do you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax? You can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake Holbrooks.